Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you what is going to be called What's for Dinner Wednesdays. So probably once a month on a Wednesday, I'm going to bring to you guys some easy dinner recipes that you can, cook for your family on a budget, and that, that doesn't really cost much, and it doesn't take too long to make. Today I'm going to actually make what's called honey garlic salmon, and I got this recipe from a lady on YouTube. She goes by the name of Cooking with Claudia. I have been following her for years. She has some wonderful recipes, and I've been cooking this one for a while. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Hey fam, I just want to show you real quick what you need for making this salmon. You're going to need 1/4 cup of honey. You're going to need 3 minced garlic cloves. I never mince my own garlic cloves. I always buy the minced garlic in a jar. It just makes it a lot easier and it's more time efficient. I am using the wild caught salmon from Walmart. It's their Great Value brand, and this is the skinless kind. Now I have used the salmon with the skin on before, and it turned out just as fine. You're going to need a lemon, and you're going to need 3 tablespoons of salted butter. Now I like to put a twist on mine. I like a little heat, and my family does too. So I always add a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. That's not in the recipe at all, so you do not need to add it, but I like to add it just for a little kick. Now let's get cooking. Okay guys, first what you need to do is go ahead and get your butter melted. So that's what I'm doing right now. And you want to make sure that you heat it for about, I want to say 5 to 7 minutes until it's almost brown. And then after that, you can add your next ingredient. So let me cut that up a little bit. See how it's starting to get darker? I'm gonna let it get dark. And you want the heat on about between medium and medium high. But you just want to be careful and just make sure you continue stirring. You don't want it to burn. Okay, next we're going to add the garlic. And you're going to cook this until the garlic is fragrant, to where you can like really smell it. You don't want it to cook too long, because then it'll burn and be a little bitter, and we don't want that. It already is smelling good with just the butter and the garlic. I love garlic. My family loves garlic as well. So next what I'm going to do is add the honey. And while this is cooking, I'm going to put my oven on broil, because after we get all of the ingredients in here, including the salmon, we're going to actually put it in the oven on broil for about 10 minutes. Get out all my honey. So next time I have to remember, when I'm cooking with honey, to put a little oil in the measuring cup first, and then put the honey in, because it helps the honey just come right out. I forgot to do that. So next what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of my red pepper flakes. Some of y'all might think that's a lot, but that's a little bit, trust me. Give that a little bit of a stir. Then I'm going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon. I'm going to cut this down a little bit, but I'm going to add my lemon. Stir that for a minute. Then I definitely need to turn down my oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my salmon in. Hopefully I have enough room. This is a different pan that I'm using. Make it do what it do. It's gonna get in here. Okay. Okay, and next, guys, what you want to do while this is doing this, go ahead and start basting it. Sometimes it's hard to do with that, so I want to get a just baste it. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is put my slices of lemon in here. And once the oven is ready for me to put it in, I'm going to put it in there. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and place the salmon in the oven on broil for about 10 minutes, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, this is what the salmon looks like after about 6-7 minutes. I didn't put it in there quite 10 minutes because this salmon is a little thinner than normal. So I'm going to baste it a little bit, and then I'm going to put it back in the oven for a little bit longer. But as you can see, it's looking so good and it's so tender as well. So let's give it a few more minutes and it will be done. All right, guys, it is all done. Here it is in all its gloriousness. It is so tender and so good. And I'm going to have to hurry up this video because my hubby is pretty hungry and this is his plate. But I've paired the salmon with some broccoli florets and some steamed rice with some black pepper and pink Himalayan salt. So we are ready to eat. I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. If anyone tries this recipe, please let me know. Comment down in the comment section to let me know how it went. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you like and subscribe so you can join the family. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and I really appreciate the support. I'm going to let this go. I will see you guys on my next video. God bless.